Hello, David Presley. Hope you enjoy all the songs we put out tonight. We got 4 or 5 videos already tonight. Here's one of my favorite songs from Elvis and the movies. I still remember, Charlie, what movie was it we did this song? What do you mean you did too many? Elvis did 2 movies. It's a song I remember Elvis in this movie. I don't know if it was Paul Day or something. He's riding a bus, and the bus strolled on down the road. Elvis was sitting in the bus window, and he was just singing a song. He would do that. So would I. Hope you like the song. It's like this. Here we go. Well, it's a long, lonely highway, baby. God bless you. I'm David Presley.